Okay, I think I have screwed up. I first think 150 posts should be completing the third floor, but it seems like this is some kind of troll again. I don't know how much posts could it be end up with now. We're just gonna do like 60 posts. Like 15. What the hell? I mean, this is just speechless. It's like more than 500 posts for the third floor. Wow. What is this? So we're gonna do like 12 times 10, 120. What? One time? How did I end up one time? 120? 100. What? Okay, 1 is 24. Okay, I screwed up. And now you can actually put 20 times each time. Okay then, just give the damn thing a poll. We know he don't sell things like for any of the reason to be. What? Okay, 108. Is it 108? 50%. Yes. Yes. Finally. I mean, what? I start with a little poll here. This one got actually cleared. This one is just 7. And 30 polls of this 50-50. I won 50-50. It's like, yeah. Saved. Holy damn! I first think is like 150 posts would be enough for that. It's just a trap. It's just a pure trap. Well. Anyway, let's get on the new close. Where we at? Where are we at? Is it like a bag or something? Or is it email? No. 10 polls. I don't. Wait. Can somebody tell me where do I actually use that thing? It should be like somewhere, right? Collect all of this. Do we need to use somewhere? What? I don't know. Where is it? Do I need to use somewhere? This is the first time I'm doing this, but where do I find the costume? What is this? Okay. Where though? Where though? I don't know where. Shouldn't it be like here? Okay, here. A set. Alright. Well, it doesn't look like. Does not cut. It's not look like that one. In the scenery. Can we like hold it? I don't know. Actually, this one's like almost the same. Ah, not the same. But let's see, is there anything else? I don't know, it doesn't have that pose. Or is it like inside it? What was it? Here. First I was like, is that like pose from Jade? But it doesn't. This one is something else. We don't bother that. Why you don't bother with that? Okay. The failing wasn't right. I was like, it should be like these. Or I mean, no. What was it? Well, maybe there is. Maybe there is. Let's see, how do that thing do? These. I was like, it should be like standing the pose. The standing pose should be like this. That's what I want. But come on. But the pose be like this? Feels a little bit off. What we want is this pose, this posture. But what we get is this. I don't know how much I wasted. Let's go see what we what is it? What was it? In the pose, we can have the beats, and then we go these. I did this one, this one, so it's $130, but minus 2,000. It means like one this $100. $100. That's the cost. I was expecting that this one be like, if this one is 12, then I'm fucked up. I was thinking about, but luckily it actually paid off in the third one. So if you're bad luck, you'll be counting like, how much is this? This is like 12 each. This you got 60, 12 times 60, and this one is 6 per each. 60 times 6, 12 doubles. 12 times 60 and 6 times 60, and here you probably got, if you are not lucky, you might get like 30 times 1. 30 pulls plus 360 pulls, 390 pulls, 390 pulls. How much is this? 60 times 12. 60 times 12. 6. 720 pulls. 720 pulls plus 390 pulls. It's like 1,000. 1,100, 1,200 something. 390 plus 6, no, 720, which is 110. 1,110 pulls if you are unlucky enough. So you need 1,110 pulls for this. Dang! And how much is 1,110 pulls? It's 11,100 beads. Pearls. This much we need. Alright. Well, I immediately know I screwed up. But I guess this is actually lucky enough to win the 50-50. Otherwise, those are also gone. And it won't be enough. As we count, the unluckiest pulls could be like maxing out the 11,100 beats. Holy damn. Alright. That's it. if you're going there, I guess it seems like 16 pulse, 16 feather per pulse. Then, yeah, you do the math and times 360 in this if you're unlucky. 125? What? 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 Is it worse so? What is this? Yeah, we get a lot of this too. This can do something. It says this can do something. Can be like exchanging for something. Here. Okay, you can exchange for these. Okay, it's like 6. Okay, I actually can do this one. Background. Do we do background or do we do this? I don't know what this do. What this do? I don't know what that do. And I don't think I am interested about what that do either. I don't know. This feels like a waste. Do we get this or do we get this? Please let me know. Alright, that's for today. Or I mean, I'm still in the game, but that's for today's polls. Alright.